So, feeding seagulls. We are feeding seagulls.
You see that one with the
Yes. Maneksha and I are feeding seagulls on Labor Day on Robert Moses Beach. How beautiful they are. You're feeding seagulls and I'm talking to my phone. That is correct. But they are great animals. Wonderful
They're
animals.
not even seagulls, for the record. I know they are.
What are they then if they're not seagulls?
Birds.
Birds? Pigeons? No. There's something else.
I think that one might be a seagull.
But they're so beautiful. So beautiful. And I like feeding
That's a
them.
lie. They're not.
They're not beautiful. Yeah, that's a lie. You're right. They're not beautiful. But I mean,
There's some seagulls over there. They don't
Yeah.
want to walk.
they don't want to walk.
I
They're
saw them.
lazy. They're really lazy. These animals, oh my God. Are you still feeding them? Or you keep feeding them?
I've been feeding them. This is like
Okay.
bird group number 4.
Okay.
You should record the big one. It was community free.
Huh?
There's one really big one for some reason.
Where are they? Oh, yeah.
The kitchen's still in.
Oh, this white one. Oh my God.
No, I think that
Oh.
might actually be a seagull.
Oh, it could be a seagull. Yeah, that was a seagull. But that went away. That went away. We're gonna see what happens next. No seagulls at all. Oh, I think this one is a seagull. Yeah, this is a seagull. Yeah, there are 2 seagulls.
I don't
Wow.
think they're seagulls.
What are they then?
Seagulls are the ones.
That are completely white?
Well, they can be grey too, but seagulls are the ones who make you unhappy.
Oh,
If you have a seagull, you know it's a seagull. The fist fight you for sure.
how do you understand a seagull?
If it starts fist fighting you,
Oh,
try that.
yes.
Yeah.
Screaming. Why are you screaming? Stop screaming. There's enough food for everyone. This is a seagull.
Oh my god, it was a seagull.
Yeah, that's a real seagull, but oh, it went away. That's a real seagull.
Seagulls, and all I have was
Hey.
They were hideous.
That's good.